Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you an idea that I have for my 7ehcno project. It's an idea related with the social hub experience in the electronic music environment. You always know that you go to an event or a festival and there is a DJ they play in the console and the people that dancing maybe in front most of the case, or maybe around. So my idea it's slightly different. Let me explain to you. So this idea basically aims to provide a social hub where friends can mix, play together and learn about music technologies. The first insight of course is the live performance, and the idea is to have a table where in the table all the table members can use button fade and knobs to play music and effect and mix with others. The second one is to create a social activity, so there are activities happening in the table itself, but of course around it. Maybe there are different kind of games, or maybe there are places to understand and learn about music, electronic music. And the third one is related with the business plan, of course, the revenue. Anyone can purchase drink and food and eat in the table. So I use AI to bring this idea reality. So let me show it to you. The idea is this one. We have a sofa basically with a circle table, and in the middle of the table there is a tool that with a speaker in the middle. So the music's coming from the middle of the table. Everyone around can listen it, or maybe they can use headphones, and anyone can have access to this tool in order to change the music, maybe add some effect and filter. So the audience could be different. The target persona include individuals passionate about music, especially electronic music, and the surround about the technology, of course. So it could be 50% artists and 50% just dancer or listener are passionate. So you don't have to mix it, but you can. That's basically the idea. I go deep further, and with the AI tools I generate some example how this machine could looks and feel. What are the features? For example, one of the features could be the touch screen. Could be a touch screen in the middle when anyone can literally with one hand change the songs, play and stop, and basically interact anyone from the table. That's the beauty. The other one could be, for example, a sequencer. There is no specific track, but this is more for people that with more experience in this kind of environment, this kind of technology. You can play particular sound, notes, or different kind of sound from using the step sequencer, very popular in the electronic music. The other one could have been said the keyboard. You can add a keyboard with the synthesizer. You can also have a step sequencer, so you can, for example, repeat the notes somehow, and basically someone play the keyboard, the other one from the other side make effects. So this is creating more like this real-time environment performance, basically live performance. And this other idea, it's more like a studio. As you can see, there is no enough space for eating or drink around the table, so it will be what we can define a studio or real console, where basically the social activity hub can happen basically around the couch outside of the ring. But this is very cool. In this way you could be a back-to-back or two back-to-back, even 4 people at the same time could play. It's very cool, I would say. So the idea to bring this reality in Berlin, it could be a possibility. There are a ton of places where a hub of this kind could have been open, even here in Potsdamer Platz. But the fact there is many companies in this branch that already have a headquarters here, like TV Instrument, Ableton, SoundCloud, for example. This could be an opportunity to connect them and maybe have the chance to bring this idea reality. So that was my idea. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Just write down on the comments, and keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.